In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move desktop folder out of OneDrive on Windows 11. Updated 2026 full guide. If your desktop has been synced to OneDrive, new files you save there go to the cloud first. That's handy for backup, but sometimes you want your desktop to live only on your PC. In this guide, I'll walk you through turning off OneDrive's desktop backup and moving your existing desktop files back to the local desktop on Windows 11. Start by opening OneDrive from the taskbar. Look for the cloud icon near the clock. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and choose the cloud from there. In the OneDrive window, select Help and Settings, then choose Settings. This opens the OneDrive Settings panel. Go to the Sync and Backup tab and click Manage Backup. You'll see toggles for common folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. Find Desktop and turn its backup off. OneDrive will prompt you to confirm, accept the change. This stops OneDrive from monitoring your desktop going forward. Keep in mind this means new items you add to desktop after this point will be stored only on your PC unless you manually back them up elsewhere. Turning off backup doesn't automatically relocate your existing files. They usually remain inside your OneDrive folder under Desktop, so let's move them. Open File Explorer from the taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and E. In the left sidebar, click OneDrive. Inside, open the desktop folder. These are the items that have been syncing to the cloud. In a second File Explorer window or tab, navigate to this PC, then Desktop. This is your local desktop location. To move your files, select everything inside the OneDrive desktop folder. It's best to use Cut and Paste so you don't end up with duplicates. Right-click the selection. Choose Cut, switch to the This PC desktop window. Right-click in a blank area and choose Paste. If you prefer to drag and drop, that works too. Just be sure you're placing the contents into this PC's desktop, not moving the entire desktop folder itself. If you're prompted about files with the same name, choose the option that makes sense for you, such as replacing older copies. Give the move a moment to complete, especially if you have large files. When it's done, your desktop items are now stored locally on your PC. From this point on, anything you add to the desktop will stay on this PC, outside of OneDrive. That's it. You've successfully moved your desktop out of OneDrive on Windows 11.